by nature? I'm asking her. Would she agree that he's a polygamous creature by nature?
Yes. By nature.
By what?
By nature. Go ahead, ask.
Ask me again. I'm sorry, I'm concentrating driving.
You say, I don't know.
Go ahead.
Would you
Go ahead,
say
ask her again.
that the male human is a polygamous creature? Is it his nature to be polygamous? That's all I'm asking.
Is it his nature to be polygamous? I think that, personally, that...
Can you hear? Can you hear?
I think that when one person finds the correct connection to another person, then that should be what it is. Right? When you find your other half, which is, like you had said before in your other video.
Why would you say another half? Why do we have? When you say another half, right? Let me ask you something. When you say another half,
another piece of another piece of you that completes you in a sense, like you even had told us before, that Nana completes you. She's you, right?
No. I am complete in myself. Everybody should be complete and whole within themselves. We are all reflections of each other. Everybody's a reflection of each other. We all reflections of each other.
Right.
We complete each other in the whole. You understand what I'm saying? Now, I'm asking you, is it a male's nature? Is it the male human's nature to be polygamous? Is it his nature? I'm not asking you about your bond. You could meet somebody that's your best friend. And your bond can be smooth and cool.
All right, maybe I could try to answer that one. By nature, yeah. Right?
I'm asking her. So what does she think?
By nature, I mean, yeah.
I'm asking her by nature. Is the male human polygamous? I'm talking about his nature.
No answer?
It's just a question.
Huh?
I mean, it's hard for me to explain. It's hard for me to explain. So I don't agree that
Okay.
it's human nature.
Wow, then why is it that every time you look around, your husband is looking at another woman? Even if he tries not to. Why is it all throughout history that men do that? Why do men do that all throughout history? Why is that the male's behavior? No matter where you go, no matter what race you are, no matter where you at, why is it's the male's nature to do that? Why do you think that?
I have no idea. Maybe they don't have stuff.
Oh, that's messed up. That's messed up.
Maybe they haven't found, someone that completes. If
no, I'm not talking about.
I'm just saying. But no, let me answer. So let's say, okay, so you're saying that if a man can't control himself looking around, that obviously that means that he's not fulfilled.
No, it's not that he's not fulfilled.
I'm not saying fulfilled sexually, mentally, spiritually, everything. Overall, I mean,
right? No. He can have good sex with you. A man, I'm trying to teach you, right? I think women shouldn't get in relationships with males until they understand them. I think that we have the wrong notion of what a man is. I think we're taught you as a woman are not educated about a man, so you can't be with a man. You're not educated enough. I think women should be raised with brothers. If you were raised with brothers, you would understand males. You would understand them. But you're not educated when it comes to a man, so you shouldn't have one. That's what I'm saying. No woman should have a man that's not educated about a man and his nature. Now, women that are raised around boys, like raised around brothers and have a lot of men in their life, those women understand how men are.
I was raised around a lot of guys. I would say
so you'd understand how males are.
I would have more friends as males than females. That's why I understand.
All right, so then you understand, if you've been around males, then you understand how males are.
Yes, I do. I know how males are, how they go around and they do whatever they want to do. But for me personally, I'm
saying this. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong with you meeting a woman, right? Your relationship with anybody, I don't care if it's a girl or a guy, you can have a bond with somebody that's strong. That has nothing to do with his nature. He could love you. You can complete him in ways that maybe the other woman might not, because that's y'all bond. That goes nowhere. That has nothing to do with the fact that he wants to be with another woman. But see, the reason why, let me finish.
Let's go here where you.
Let me finish. The reason why you don't want him to have another woman is because of insecurities and low self-esteem, and the culture that you was raised in. It's insecurities, it's negativity, it's negative vibes. Oh, that's the only reason why you won't let him have another wife.
Ask him if he wants another wife.
It's nothing divine.
Let's ask him if he wants another wife. Ask him if he wants another wife.
I don't have to ask him, because I know all men do. All men do.
I will ask him. He'll tell you.
You there?
If he gonna be honest, if he gonna be 100, all the way 100.
And you know I always been 100 with you always, right? 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 You know I always been 100 with you, right? You know you done told me stuff that I could have been a rich man off of, but you know you already know where me and you at. You know what I'm saying, right? But honestly, like I told you, like the bond I got with my wife is like nothing I ever experienced ever in my life. And you know when you wake up, 99% of people who wake up in a relationship, they don't ever work out.
Hold on real quick, bro, hold on real quick.
Yo.
Hey, hold on real quick. Hey, put your helmet on. Hold on, we gotta put our helmet on.
A helmet?
Because you about to beat us in the head with that bullshit. Go ahead, man. We got our helmets on.
But check it out.
You about to beat us in the head with that bullshit. We need our protection.
Check it out. But check it out. So,
DOC protected.
you know I understand everything when it comes to this, but like I said, man, hey, I found my bond right here, and I'm good. You know what I'm saying?
When I'm saying to you, your bond with her has nothing to do with your nature.
Hold on. I'm about to go to you now. Now I've seen you at your highest when it's just you and Aliana. At your highest, it's no bullshit, it's no drama, it's no nothing.
No, bro, I'm at my highest when I'm by myself. Shit, if you see me at my highest, it's when I was by myself. Fuck is you talking about, bro? If you ain't been watching me, I'm at my highest when I'm by myself.
Hey man, listen, when you got
adding people to me actually dilutes me. I'm actually spreading myself thin when I add people to me.
Exactly.
I'm my whole self.
Hold on. Exactly.
I'm my whole self. Now watch this. But listen to what I'm saying to you.
Go ahead.
When I have multiple wives, I literally get to spend more time with myself. When I have one wife, I'm telling you, the more wives you have, the more time you get to spend by yourself, because they can occupy each other.
I can see that.
I'm telling you, the more wives I have, the more I have my own space, bro. Because women, they be with each other, they be having that woman bond, and bro, I get time to think. But when you got your one wife, you're not spending enough time with her. Huh?
But what about the breakdown?
What the breakdown is?
Like when, it fluctuates. It goes from one to a couple to one to a couple to one. You know what I'm saying?
dealing with the system, brother. I'm dealing with the system. I'm not dealing with my woman. I'm dealing with the system that's in my woman. You understand what I'm saying? The system programmed my woman. I'm constantly deprogramming and brainwashing my woman from the system. The Babylon is in her.
Right.
You know that the European is in your wife. That's what's doing that.
Right.
It's not, you're not fighting your wife, because your wife's nature is to allow you to have multiple wives. You see what I'm saying? You're fighting the system in your wife. The Babylon, she got that Babylon in her. Just act. I asked her, when I asked,
I hear you. Go ahead.
yo, listen, you heard me?
When you asked her what?
When I asked your wife, what is a male's nature? What is a man's nature? Is a man's nature to be polygamous? And she says, I don't know. She know what the hell a man's nature is, brother.
But when we talk about polygamy, I mean, polygamous that's a European.
I'm asking you, brother.
And human nature, if it's a human nature, which it is, but it's a choice in human nature also, and also on top of that.
Man, you lying,
hold on,
bro.
listen to this. Just listen to this. Hold on, let me finish. Hold on.
It's not a choice, bro. It's a nature.
Hold on.
How is your nature a choice?
No, it's not. Hold on, let me finish.
Yeah.
Let me finish. Because check this out. Because hold on, wait. Let me just finish this. Hold on. Let me finish. If you throw polygamy out there and use nature as it, and you know what I'm saying, you have to open the door. I don't care what anybody says. You have to open the door for incest, because incest happens in nature. Does it not? Doesn't it?
It doesn't. Not in mammals. No, it doesn't.
It does in animals.
Not in mammals. And not in mammals. Not in mammals. In mammals, I said mammals.
Cats?
What are you talking about? The mammals?
Incest does not occur with mammals. Mammals don't do incest.
So if you got a pack of lions, the mama won't ever mess with any of his kids?
You gotta go research. You talking to Nature Boy? Absolutely not. They don't do that.
Wow. I can't use any cats and dogs for reference because that's not real nature. But
yeah, that's what. Yeah, you know what they do with them. But if you just go research it, I would not be saying this without having research backing me. Animals do not do incest. They stay away from that.
I gotta look into that one. But I understand what you're saying, man. But like I said, man, it's just a body.
But listen, I'm asking you a question. Don't dance around it. Don't buck around it. Is it a male's nature to be polygamous?
I mean, it is a nature, but
I'm asking you if it's the human's male's nature to be polygamous. Hello. The nature of man.
Nature of man.
All right. So if we know that's natural,
but is every male polygamous?
No, every male is not polygamous. But what I'm telling you is this: the males that are not are the ones that have low testosterone, and they don't get respected by women anyway.
That's not true.
If a man has a low sex drive, he has low testosterone. That's from the food he's eating. He's not a natural man. We're not dealing with natural men today. We're dealing with a GMO nigga. Natural men are full of testosterone.
Right.
They gotta spread that seed.
I happen to be one of them, and I'll tell you. When's the last time we did something?
Yesterday.
How many times?
A couple times. We do it.
10 years strong, man. Listen, every day.
And you wasting your sperm, bro.
Okay.
And that's y'all bond is playing as it's literally playing as a debilitation.
Yeah.
Facts. Because you wasting your sperm. That woman can only ovulate 3 days out of a month.
Okay.
She can only ovulate 3 times out of a month. So it is your obligation to spread your seed as much as you can while you're alive. That's your nature. Point blank period. That's why they have laws against it. They have laws against you. That's what why you think they got child support, dogs? Dog, they use the woman against you. Why you think they got child support? Child support is to discourage you from mating.
But
Did you understand what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
Bruh, listen to me. They don't want the black man reproducing. So child support was set up so that they could encourage a man to not mate. So is condoms and disease. They're trying to encourage you not to reproduce. And if you if they lock you up, you can't reproduce. That's why they're locking people up for child support.
Well, I go deep into those subjects, but anyway, polygamy isn't illegal here in the U.S. though, right? You know that?
It's not illegal?
It's only illegal when you married and try to marry. Polygamy is only illegal when you married and try to marry another woman. You can have as many boyfriend and girlfriends as you want here in America. It's just if you put it on paper, it crosses contract and that shit is illegal and you go to jail for it.
All right, so that's what I'm saying to you, bro.
So
why would they put you in jail for that? I'm asking you.
Well, that's because you're dealing with contract. That's contract laws. You know.
But I'm asking you why. I'm asking you why, bro. Why?
Why is it?
Why don't they want you? Why don't they want you to be polygamous?
But you can though. You know how many niggas around got mad different girlfriends around the cities?
Yeah, they got them. They got polygamy.
You can't go to jail in America for having mad different girlfriends. Only if you have multiple wives.
No, I'm talking about they do not recognize. Hey, that's what it is, Sonic. Bruh, what I'm telling you is that what you're doing does not require monogamy. I see if you was living in Babylon and you was living a regular life, but for what you're doing and the mission that you're going, look up chiefhood. Look up chiefhood. Go study being a chief.
I know about chief.
If you're a chief, then you cannot just have one wife. It's impossible. Because what makes you a chief is that you have a big ass family, dog. You have a bloodline, and your bloodline is thick. It's a lot. You done made the whole village from you.
Mm-hmm.
And you can't do that with just one woman.
Shit, we got 7 right now.
That's nothing. Yo, that's nothing. That's
10 men.
nothing.
It takes 10 men to build a nation.
That's nothing. And you got that with more than one woman. You don't got that with just one.
Right, you're right.
I'm asking you for what you're doing in your purpose in life. Monogamy is not conducive to your purpose in life is what I'm saying to you. Now, if you want to just live in Babylon, commit to a woman, be domesticated, be a Babylonian, be unnatural, and play that game, then that's fine. But if you nation building and you're going to say you a chief, then you got to have more than one woman. Because you are repopulating the earth with your purpose. It ain't no one woman that's going to pop out a nation. It ain't going to do it. What nation, and that's why I was telling people, I was like, listen, did Adam and Eve populate the earth? Can one man and one woman populate the earth? No, they can't. They can't.
No, they can't.
I'm being real with you for your purpose and what you doing as a chief. You done went and got the actual tribe registered. Niggas can't even fuck with you. You are a real chief. You literally are a real chief with one wife. Go look up chiefhood with indigenous people and how many wives did a chief have? A chief had up into 8, 10 wives. Because he was a king. He was considered a king. But not the European king, but the indigenous king was polygamous. Because your royalty is in your loins. You feel what I'm saying? Your royalty is how many human beings can you create. That's where your royalty is. You have to create a village. Facts. Somebody said I got one wife pregnant. Nah, nigga, I got 4 baby moms. I got 4 women pregnant. And I'm gonna have these pregnant very soon. You keep watching. I'm just saying, we still building. And I got more on the way. Bro, I'm a chief. I'm not playing with this. Y'all playing with this. Y'all Babylon. Monogamy is Babylon. That's to keep control because population is too high. You about to make your own world. What you doing? I can make a left. Come on, bro. You about to get us in goddamn. You wildin', man.
They said we can go straight across over there.
Oh, it's saying that?
Yeah, but
Nah, I ain't fucking with that. Hell, bro, you understand what I'm saying? If you gonna do it for real. Do it all the way. Cause you out here, you got your family. You gonna look extreme. But I'm telling you, if you gonna really build your tribe, if you a chief, you gotta have multiple wives. Every man that's building for the nation gotta have multiple wives. And if your wife ain't down with that, she not down with what you doing. And that's all I'm saying. Straight. I can't go around here.
go around. I don't think so. You want to get on that other side.
All right. You understand what I'm saying, G?
Yeah, I understand.
Because all I'm saying is,
we also build the tribe through the nation.
right. And what I'm saying to you is, as a chief, you have your own village. Not just a tribe, you have a village. A chief has look, me and you have a village, like, right? Like basically a chief is like the mayor. The mayor. You know what I mean? Of a village. How do you think these indigenous people are here? How do you think they're here?
Well,
I mean, all of these people in Central America.
But check it out. A lot of these tribes also banded with other tribes and became one tribe. And when they do that, they multiply their tribe, and then they kids, and then everybody else kids.
But that wasn't done. That wasn't done through monogamy. That's not done through monogamy. I want you to sit down and do monogamy and show me how that. Life began, right?
All the way around. Yep.
Okay. You heard me?
Yeah.
If you ask yourself, okay, look at these people in Central America, right? These indigenous people, right?
Because check it out. It's two different ways.
These people come from.
Hello?
All right. What I'm telling you is this. Number one, there's not a lot of women. You acting like we. Brother, do you understand what I'm saying to you?
You're breaking up a little bit.
How many women you think that's on the frequency for real, that's really doing this shit? Do you know how hard it is to find a woman doing what we're doing? That want to build with us?
Okay. Absolutely.
So why you at, you know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You putting it out there like, oh, it's just a lot of people doing what we doing. It's not.
No, I ain't saying that. I'm just saying when you building a nation, when you building it, it's like a business. You started it by yourself and you expand out, and that's your tribe.
Exactly.
Your tribe.
All right. Now, once you got your first wife and you established.
But hold on. But check it out, because it's different if you building bloodlines or you building a nation, like a culture. You know what I mean?
That's the same thing. It's the same thing. Yo, that's the same thing, G. That's what makes you a nation. Bloodline is what makes you a nation. What you think your last name is? Your last name is a bloodline, bro. That's your slave name. That shit can be traced all the way back.
Right.
That's a bloodline. When they do DNA, They doing it through your last name, bro. That's a bloodline. That's a bloodline. Your last name is a bloodline, bro. It is a bloodline. It ain't no difference. It's a bloodline. That's what a nation is. That's what it's supposed to be, right? Your last name, you get a birth certificate from your name. And your name is a bloodline. Whether you was a slave or not, your last name is a slave bloodline. You got your slave owner's last name, bro. It's bloodline, bro. They owned you. Right. Your last name is a slave owner's last name. It's a bloodline, and that comes from a nation called the United States of America. That's the nation. That's a bloodline.
Right.
You feel what I'm saying? They just happen to treat their slaves and be like, all right, we're gonna give y'all equal rights, or we're gonna let you we gonna let y'all all be house niggas. Basically, we're gonna let y'all all be house niggas. You know, they treated their slaves nice. They let their slaves get certain rights that other slaves didn't. But what I'm telling you is, this. We're talking about legacy here, bro. We're talking about bloodline. We're talking about you building your own nation. How you doing that with one woman? Come on, dogs. All you doing is creating batteries for the system. You dig what I'm saying? You creating batteries. Your children ain't gonna have enough. They not gonna have enough. Right?
That's not true.
Let me tell you something. When you got one wife, that's like having one business.
How you feel?
You got one business going. We are a franchise. That's a nation is a franchise. You a franchise, man. In your own self, you a franchise. You should have more than one wife because that's more than one business. That's more than one business. That's called franchising. You can sit there with a small mom and pop business. That's what you got right now, mom and pop business. Because it's just you and mom and pop right now. Or you can franchise. You feel what I'm saying? It's business, right?
Right.
So right now you on the mom and pop shit. All that do is lead your kids where? Back to Babylon. That's what your legacy is going. Back to Babylon. And right now it's a time to not be playing. It ain't no time to be playing because you know what I'm saying? You ain't getting no younger. Them sperm cells ain't getting no stronger. Shit. Unless you know what I mean? Come on. You can have your bond with your wife. That shouldn't change. Leave that alone. That's a functional business. Now have another bond with another woman. And have another bond with another woman. Have 4 of them. And see what I'm talking about. Now when you move out, you got a whole nation literally. Now your nation, now you and your 4 wives y'all children can now mate with my children. And now we have a nation. You understand what I'm saying? If every man has 4 wives.
See, that's how you build a nation. You just said it right there.
No. We need numbers, bro. Not just mom and pop. If we just me and you, right? If it's just me and you and monogamy, I want you to do the number. I wish I could sit down and really write this shit down to you, bro. So you can really look at it. Oh, you got it, babe, right?
Oh, I looked at it.
You got it.
I looked at it.
Nah, I'm trying to show you how to build a nation, bro. You need numbers. You can't do that without the numbers. Here you go, right here, bro. Bruh. On hand, I actually have it. We already broke it down, right? If it's just one man and one woman, and right now, y'all cheating because you got 2 women, really, because your children is from another woman. You know you cheating. How many children you got with that woman? Huh?
2.
How many children you got? How many children you got with her?
2.
How many children you got with her?
2.
Hello? You said 2, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you really building a nation. Come on, man. You got 2 wives. That's why you got all them kids. The other wife ain't there, though. You see what I'm saying to you? Let's be realistic. You only got two children with her. I'm being real. Am I being real? Bro, am I being real with you or what? The only reason why you got all them kids is because you was with 2 women. Imagine if you had 4. And imagine if they all was together. You feel what I'm saying?
I'll feel you.
You only got 2 women with that one woman. 2 children with that one woman.
I keep it 100. You showed me how hard it is.
I'm not. No.
You showed me how hard it is.
Yo, listen, bro. This journey from where we at, a nigga put you in a maze, right? When you came here to life, you was put in a maze, bro. Right? You was put in a maze. A nigga dropped you off here from your descendants, right? And this shit was fucked up. The world, you was born into iniquity, my nigga. How it's supposed to be easy? I want to know how it's supposed to be easy. You a God. We ain't got problems, we got solutions. You feel me? Yo, bro, you act like this world is perfect. You know what I'm saying? Of course you're gonna see me struggling. But guess what? I'm winning. I'm working out the kinks. You're not. You haven't even started. You looking at me dealing with what you gotta deal with. You gotta deal with it, and all I'm doing is showing you how to do it. You dig what I'm saying though?
No doubt.
Fuck these comments. Fuck them. I'm talking some real shit to my brother, bro. I'm telling you right now. Look at what you doing, bro. You got 2 kids with this woman. We building a nation, though. You got a mom. I'm just saying what you doing. What we doing, bro? What we doing? 10 years. 20 years. 30 years. What we doing? We gods. Or are we men? You know what I mean? Like, what are we? If we are gods, then we understand divine knowledge itself. And we understand nature. We understand our nature. We're not going to lie to women and tell them and give them a bad promise like, listen, baby. Now, you can't do that because why? You got discipline. I could do a lot of things. You feel what I'm saying? What is best for what I'm doing is what I'm asking you. What is best for what you're doing? You have a goal in mind. You are literally, what's the name of your tribe?
Tribe. Westo Katap.
Have you not?
You there?
How many chiefs you know were monogamous? How many chiefs do you know that were monogamous? How many chiefs do you know that were monogamous? Bro, did you hear me?
Nah, you cut out.
How many chiefs do you know that were monogamous?
I don't know.
Bro, I'm telling you to research. I mean, you got to look at what we're doing here and understand what we're doing here versus what you're doing over there. Like, monogamy is not for us, bro. It's not. They have programmed our woman against us, bro. They programmed the woman against us, bro.
Well,
they just programmed the woman against us.
Well, you know I don't plan to be here too much longer. You know I can't stay in this place.
Hey, y'all hit my brother's inbox, man. Y'all hit my brother's inbox. Fuck that. Hit his inbox, man. We trying to get this shit, man. I'm doing shit for real, man. Like, we gonna do this shit for real. We gonna fake it, man. What's up? What we gonna be? We gonna be chiefs? Straight up, straight up.
You already know.
I hit my bro up, man. He need to make more children with women that's gonna understand the knowledge, understand the journey, man. I'm just being honest with you. Helping you out, bro, because I know what you're going through, bro. Trust me, I go through it with Nana all the time. I did that already. That shit ain't breaking me, bro. She gonna have to break before I do. You feel me? You a man. You fighting the system. Right here. You fighting the system. We gotta fight the system in you. You gotta fight the system in you. You gotta fight the system in your wife. You gotta fight the powers that be. Fight the power. Fight the powers that be. You know what I'm saying? You gotta fight it in your wife. You gotta fight it in you. You can't. You gotta fight. You can't stop fighting. It's a war. Which way is it, bro?
No doubt. Yo, my phone got like 1%, man.
Huh?
My phone got like 1%.
All right, man. Fight the power. I know. I love myself.
All right. Well, say peace.
Fight the power, that big. Come on and fight the power. Huh? You said what? Fact, man. That's a fact, man. Fight the power. You're gonna have to fight the devil in you, fight the devil in your loved ones. You're gonna have to fight the devil everywhere, my nigga. This shit is everywhere. Babylon is everywhere. You feel me? It's in your woman, it's in your food, it's in your motherfucking water. Nigga, Babylon is everywhere. Shit. You're gonna have to fight the power. Fight the power that beat. You feel me? Come on and fight the power. You know what it is, man. Fight the power, man. Talking about, yeah, I see what you're going through. Nigga, I'm fighting. It's war. The fuck you talking about? You seeing what I'm going through? Nigga, I'm showing you what you need to be getting. I'm showing you how you need to get the fuck out of your shit, too. I'm going through it to show you by example what we gotta do. Our woman is fucked up. You gotta get them out that environment. You can't be polygamous in that environment. Because the atmosphere ain't saying to her, like, that's cool. You gotta take her out of that environment. And you gotta reprogram her. If she wants to be reprogrammed, and if she wants to do that, then you gotta reprogram her. You gotta fight the power. It's right here, right? Yeah, they got this shit ducked the fuck off right here, baby. Hold on, Bobby. Hold your horses. I'm getting on. I drive that, for real. I am crazy. You know, that's why you with me, because I'm crazy as hell. Ain't that why you with me, baby? Yeah! What's up, Bobby? Oh, it's only one way? Oh. What are you saying, man? ¿Qué te pasa? Oh, ¿qué lo que, loco? Oh, no, gracias. No, no, está bien. Está bien, gracias. I'm good. Está bien. Un churro, gracias. Un grito. Ahí es para fumar. This nigga wants sun, bro.
Ahí es mi hermano, o sea, somos hermanos y todo.
Oh, these niggas out here, man. Yeah. Dumb shit. Bum shit. You already know. So yeah, man. Like y'all gotta figure out what you're doing with your life, understand your priorities, get your goals together, and if you're gonna do it, do it. If you're not, don't. You know what I mean? But I'ma fight the power. That's right. Fight the power that beat. It's the interest rate?
Yeah, you start about parking in the front.
What you beeping at me for, yo? Leave me alone. I'm a New York driver. Jamming, ain't it? What happened? Happened to it out here? Yeah. This is Babylon. What's going on? Come on, man. Let's get in here and get out, man. This is the real Babylon right here, nigga. Huh? I'm playing that music. Oh, my reflection. Let's go, man. Let's get out of here, man. Taking y'all with us, man. We can't let y'all see the background, though, so I'm gonna be like this. turban on. This shit sound crazy. This real Babylon right here. Come on, man. Let's get it out of here, man. This shit crazy. This is hell. They're having a concert. A Babylon concert. That music is terrible. They got alarms going off. Y'all want to go to a Babylon concert? Whoa. This shit sound crazy.
Eliana, I feel bad for Eliana.
Niggas swear they Europeans.
Got beat up by
They are
so
Spaniards.
much.
The Spaniards.
She don't be killing no more.
They got all the sound going so hard that you don't like that noise, right, baby? Hey, they jamming over here. Hey, that nigga's getting hard. That nigga in. Look out here. Oh, she got a feather.
Eliana made sure she had to get her picture then. How can you push a man that kissed 3 women that probably has her piece in their mouth? You got her piece in your mouth from the race. So it doesn't matter. You just passed around your pus between all 2 women because they used to suck your pus. If you ever seen them, they used to suck your pus.
They stole our music. They stole our music. They stole our music. They stole our music.
That's a lie. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
They stole our music.
That's a lie.
Nah, man, bro, we going out. Ask them where the mall at.
Al centro.
Mall. Al centro.
¿Dónde bajé muchacha pantalón?
Oh,
Ahí
gracias.
va a ver grande.
Grande. Alright. So we know where we going now. Yeah, we gotta go get something real quick from Babylon and get up out of there. If you say mall, I'll block you so you ain't gotta watch. You watching, bitch. Don't act like you ain't watching. Don't act like we ain't come from Babylon, nigga. Like we ain't in the Matrix. The fuck? Yeah, we go to the Matrix, nigga. You gotta take from the Matrix and bring it out of the Matrix. You know what I'm saying? That's just what it is. Oh damn, this is the real goddamn Babylon right here, nigga. This is like, damn. Oh shit, this is the real goddamn Babylon right here. This shit is Babylon the fuck out. Damn. You wanna use it? Does she have white? Like white? You remember the white stuff we was putting up? That? Oh, yeah. Face paint. Just get one. Said red lipstick. Hey, bring some red lipstick.
Yeah, so they can suck on your cock. Your herpes cock. Your crab cock.
I know, right? In a minute, bruh. This shit look crazy. I feel like I'm in the real Matrix, nigga. Like we in the Matrix for real. Blue eyeshadow, y'all terrible. Hell no.
What about these ones? What about these ones?
Ask her if she got face paint. Like white face paint.
That's probably gonna be like.
They know there's ways to make natural stuff out of flowers. Natural makeup out of flowers. What's up, Bookie? What's up, baby? What's up?
Awesome,
What's
dog.
up? I see you got your jewelry. That's cute. So my girls don't need no makeup. They naturally beautiful. But they got like the natural way to make like makeup. It's on Google. You can make it with like flowers and stuff like that. Hey, what you looking at? You looking at daddy? You gonna give me a kiss? You gonna give me a kiss? Look her up. Give me a kiss. You gonna give me a kiss? You gonna give me a kiss?
Awesome, baby.
You gonna give me a kiss? She got face paint? Yeah. You get the lips. Give me a kiss. Don't bite on that. Blanco, blanco, blanco.
She's teething, dummy. Let her bite on whatever is. She's teething. So shut up.
No, I really couldn't like a case.
Just like my Gabby's teething.
White thing on.
She wants to bite on it. Let her bite on it. She's teething.
Deezer says she gonna bring some. She gonna bring a whole jar.
Are you kidding me? You're not kidding me.
Real. She gonna bring some.
Why you need white face paint for? Don't practice another ritual,
I don't think women
dummy.
should wear makeup.
You seen what happened when you practiced a ritual.
You
Your
got
daughter
one.
ended up in the
You got
hospital.
one? Oh yeah.
This is a one-time thing.
You don't know what you're doing.
What you like to make up? What you like to make up for?
I used to only wear the clear mascara, the one.
What you trying to make up for? What you trying to make up for?
I don't have to make up.
Okay, yeah.
You used to wear makeup.
What you gotta make up for? You already beautiful. You already look like you got eyeliner on. Look at your
I
eyes.
don't need
They
to be
already
a
look like they
prostitute.
got
I'll
eyeliner.
be a prostitute to nature.
We wake up like this.
He's got
Ain't
crabs.
nothing to make up for.
I don't need to be a prostitute. I'll eat
Naturally
Eliana's pus.
I do like this gloss though.
Yeah, I do like a little gloss on my lips. That's
I is so cute.
You didn't find no chapstick.
You're awesome.
Oh, they have chapstick? Hey, wait. Tyler, get
I
me
just
chapstick.
wish you never had to eat Eliana's pus.
I got some chapstick for you.
I mean, not there.
Did you get you some? Oh, you already got some?
Awesome little girl. Awesome.
What? That's what you like?
I just feel bad for her because Nature Boy is a disgusting pedophile.
What if women ain't naturally beautiful? Then you don't pick them. meet them where they at. If women ain't naturally beautiful, you ain't gotta be with them. I try to be with naturally beautiful women. Oh, that's nice. What is that? It smells good.
It does smell really good.
Yeah, it's nice. So.
No, it's funny.
Wow, you guys use soap?
Un poco. Español.
Chopstick.
I hope you took it up.
Oh, she speak
Put it
English.
back.
She know I speak English. She know what it is.
I hope you took up the soap because you look like you put it back.
Good morning.